Playing music is all about exploring possibilities. Roadie 3 is all about making that experience effortless and endless. Roadie 3 helps you find your sound fast. High-speed tuning, next-gen vibration detection, and enhanced accuracy keep your tunings dead on. Be free to explore alternate tunings easily using Roadie 3's intuitive navigation and ample storage space for over 100 presets. Tune almost anything with geared pegs using Roadie 3's compact new design that fits comfortably in your hand, pocket, or kit bag. See your options clearly and make quick selections easy with Roadie 3's full-color, high-resolution screen. This is big stuff in a small package. Restring and tune in one step, then feel the beat using Roadie 3's vibrating metronome mode. Your musical world is full of possibilities. Bring your Roadie and play on.